Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video guys, okay? So right now, today I will be talking about the NFP analysis, and if you guys would want to know what Olympus bias is or our directional forecast is for NFP, do tune into one of the videos that I've recorded on Tuesday, okay? So I've already recorded that video on where I believe NFP can potentially go. But today I will be talking more on the technicals. Okay, I'll be talking more on what could possibly happen in terms of technicals, okay? And if we are looking at USD JPY over here, okay, let's talk about USD JPY in a bit. We do see on the monthly time frame that USD JPY has been very bullish as of 2022, last year, right? It's been super bullish. However, right now we do see some kind of pullback coming into the market. Okay, so right off the bat, I will signal and I'll mark out this area as a potential area where price can possibly tap into. And the reason why I mark this area out is because it is a market inefficiency on the monthly time frame. And if we are going to the weekly time frame to take a look, let's look at the weekly time frame, guys. Okay, so number one, first things first, we do see that price have came down all the way down. Okay, and if actually reacted off this demand zone over here, okay, if you can see my cursor, so upon reacting off this demand zone, price actually bulled all the way up. However, currently we do see some very strong bearishness from the USD JPY. Okay, and right now if you're looking at this daily time frame, there is a lot of liquidity building up in terms of this trend line liquidity over here. Okay, so there is a lot of liquidity building up over here on the USD JPY. So personally for me, I'm bearish on the UJ because I believe that the fundamental news release will potentially wreak havoc in the markets. Okay, so I believe we can see price continue heading down to even clear this area at 129.65 or 64. And there's a reason why from the current price I made a forecast that it will drop about 200 pips in the upcoming NFP market, NFP data release. Okay, so my personal forecast for USD JPY is bearish, and if I were to go down to the 4 hours time frame to let price explain to us a little bit more. So first things first, okay, we do see that this high here has been taken out. Let me just mark that out more clearly. So we do see this high being taken out, and we do see some kind of upside liquidity that's been taken out here as well. Okay, right off the bat we do see that being taken out. And if we were to go down to the 1 hour time frame, currently price could potentially be a break of structure. But the reason why I believe that UJ can continue heading down is because given the current bearish environment around the USD, there's fundamental reason to believe that USD JPY can continue heading down. And right now we do see price actually sweeping liquidity right here. Upside liquidity has yet again been swept. Okay, and currently what this entire leg here seems like some kind of redistribution to head down further, guys. All right, so all in all, my take profit would be around here. I believe this area, this is for anybody who have entered a trade, that this area would be a good area to take shots from. Okay, so I believe that USD JPY have strength to continue further down. So let's go to the Euro USD chart real quick to explain, to see what price can do. So I have also marked out my personal forecast where the price can possibly hit to. So right now, right off the bat on the 4 hour, maybe the 1 hour time frame, let's talk about the 1 hour time frame. We do see some kind of retracement here coming into the euro dollar. And if I were to mark the FIPS out, it really touches the 0.5 levels really nicely. So personally, I believe that price can hit the swing supply all on the way to the left at 1.09807. So that would be an area that I will be looking for potential, for the target for price to hit. Okay, so I've marked out this demand zone. This demand zone might not get hit, might not get cleared. Okay, because given how bullish euro dollar is and how weak the USD is, given the entire week has been coming out really poor USD economic data releases. So I believe that euro dollar can continue bullish too. So this would be my quick analysis on Euro Dollar and USD JPY. Okay, thanks a lot for tuning in to the markets with me today, and we will be watching NFP very closely. For any of you guys who are in the trade now, make sure to manage your trade well. Okay, you don't want to be super high risk, especially when NFP is just 1 hour and 30 minutes away.